friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing my essential rewards order, which is going to be my last essential rewards order ever, because they changed how they do ordering and everything, which I just did a whole video on, so make sure you go back and watch that if you don't know what I'm talking about. But anyways, this is my monthly order with Young Living. This is what I ordered for our family, for our wellness, for oils, and so I got some free things this month. So I'm going to share everything right now. Okay, first thing before I forget, because it's not here, it's in the fridge and I don't feel like going to get it, is Mineral Essence. I'll insert a clip of it or a picture right here. But Mineral Essence is a liquid mineral supplement, also infused with essential oils, which all of the supplements from Young Living are, and it supports you in so many ways. So the main reason that I started taking it is to support my cycle and my period. I read the book How to Tame the Dragon Within, and there are tons of different tips and oils to use for your cycle, but that was one that people had given their testimonies and how it's helped with period cramping. And you guys, it works. I used to have, so this might be TMI, so if you're not interested in my cycle, fast forward. Anyways, I used to have cramps when I was ovulating, and then I would have cramps before my period. I have 0 cramps now. I honestly don't know why. There's no rhyme or reason, except that I have been taking my Mineral Essence every single day. I hate the taste of it, so I just put the dropper amount. It's in a dropper bottle, and you just put 4 droppers in. I put it in kombucha because I love kombucha and I like drinking that to support my gut every morning. So I just drop some of it in there, and I can't really taste it. It tastes disgusting though, and I am not picky about anything, really. And it's the worst thing I've ever tasted in my life. It's spicy and it's weird and it is so gross. But anyways, it's so beneficial to your body. But I wanted to cover that because I don't have it right in front of me, so I didn't want to forget. Next is another supplement. This is Life 9. And this is a probiotic that it supports your gut health. Gut health is super important. Your gut and brain are linked. Everything starts in your gut, so you need to support that and make sure you have lots of bacteria in there. So this is 17 billion active cultures. This is a 30 count, so it lasts me a month. I can instantly tell a difference if I'm not taking my probiotic. My gut, my digestive is all over the place. So super great. And if you guys aren't on a supplement or on a probiotic yet, I highly suggest you look into it, do some research. I take probiotics and prebiotics. Don't want to get too nerdy in this video about that, but they work together, and it's super important. Gut health, don't sleep on that. It's very important. Okay, next. 2 kids supplements. So we not only take the supplements, but so do the kids. And there's also a whole pet line if you're not familiar with Young Living. But anyways, this is the kids multivitamin. It's called the Mightyvites. They are, I can show you, little tablets. And the girls love these so much. They won't eat any other multivitamin. I ran out of these and they're not cheap, so I wanted to just try a different brand from Target. I think it was like Ollie or something. And Zara literally would not even try it. She wouldn't even look at it. She's like, I don't want that. She is very partial to these. So this is natural wild berry flavor. It has 120 tablets in this bottle. It says 4 to 12. Take 4 chewables. So I thought that was excessive. I don't know. So Zara gets 1 and Emery gets 2. They're 2 and 4 for reference. Or 2 and 5, sorry, for reference, the girls. Next is their probiotic, and I love these because I can take these and Chris can take these too. This is just a packet form of probiotic. It's a powder, tastes like a pixie stick, it's delicious, and the girls take them every day. It's called the Mighty Pro Pre and Probiotic Supplement, and this is a 30 pack as well. And I'm gonna have to start getting 2 of these a month, I think, because they love them so much and they both are taking them, so it's not quite lasting me a full month. So I'm gonna have to up my quantity on these, but these are amazing. Again, gut health is super important, and not only for us, but for the kids too, because when was the last time your kid ate perfectly? Even if they were eating perfectly, I say this all the time, I stress this, because even if we were eating perfectly, healthy, fresh veggies, leafy greens, all the things, our food isn't the same as what it used to be. it is not as beneficial and nutritional as it used to be. That's just because of the way we treat our world. But anyways, different subject, different topic. But we take supplements because of that, just to support our bodies, and because we notice huge differences when we do. And Young Living supplements are super high quality. Okay, there's one more thing that I bought. This is a new, I'll show you the case too because it's cool. This is a new roller. So with Young Living oils, you can get a single oil like lavender or frankincense, or you can get a blend of oils like, well, Tranquil, this is a blend, or Gratitude or Joy, or different blends, which is just a few different oils mixed together. These are rollers, so they are pre-diluted and already in a roller, so you have to do zero work. You just open it and use it. And this is what that is, or this is what that is. So this is Tranquil, and I've used these before. They have a few different ones. They don't have them in every oil that they have, but they have a few. I have the Stress Away one, which I love. I keep in my car because who doesn't get stressed out when they're driving with toddlers and husbands and dogs? Okay, so this is, let's see, lavender, cedarwood, and Roman chamomile. It is divine. I love it so much. And they come in just beautiful little bottles too. So it's kind of just like a collector thing slash just a lazy, I don't want to make a roller, and these are awesome. So I don't know, a little bit more pricey than just buying the oil, but it smells so good. It is so sweet and floral and relaxing. Not too sweet and not too floral though. It has a cedarwood, so it's just a perfect blend. Floral, cedarwood, woodsy, and then the Roman chamomile, which is just super calming. I love this, if you can't tell. I love these rollers though, so don't sleep on these either. Or sleep on them, because this is Tranquil. They also have one for deep relief. So if you have like neck pain, which I constantly do, I have to make an appointment for the chiropractor. That's a whole nother thing. But they make some for different reasons or different like things you got going on. Okay, anyways, I'm getting on side tangents left and right. This I didn't order this month, but I am going to soon, and I just used it today, so I wanted to share because I was so excited. So I used to share this all the time, but the only people that were interested were Young Living members, which is fine. But all of my other followers and subscribers and people and family and friends, they're like, I'm not a Young Living member and I don't want to be, so I don't care about your concealer. Not really, but I just felt like it was harder to order this until they just changed all of their way to order. And so you're either, with Young Living now, you're either a customer, which is people who just want to buy the products, or you're a brand partner, which is me, who likes to share the products, and I get commission on people that sign up and buy. It's like an affiliate link now, where before it was like you're building this team and you have to get people, which was fine too, but it's just easier, you know, for the person who just wants to buy this. They don't want a starter kit, they just want to buy lavender, or they just want this. So anyways, that was a spiel. This is the liquid concealer, and it is almost like you can't even read it. I've had this for, I don't know, maybe close to a year. It has lasted me a very long time, and it's because, one, a tiny bit goes a long way. I literally put a dot and a dot, little dots all over, and just blend it in. It is not too thick, not too thin. It blends in amazingly. I have the shade medium 1, and it is good for me for winter and summer. I say that right? Yeah. I use it all year. I feel like the shade is pretty forgiving and blends in, and it also has manuka and tea tree essential oils in it, so it's good for your skin. It's good for, you know, when you're concealing blemishes and you're just putting that crappy concealer on from the drugstore that has toxins and stuff you don't want in your skin. Well, this actually is the opposite and has tea tree, which is going to help heal that. Sorry, you might have to slow that part down. I just said that so fast. I apologize. But anyways, go add this to your subscription, because you can get 24% off by just adding it to your auto. Just get it every 3 months, and then you can skip if you don't need it after the 3 months. Because you need this. It's so good. Anyways, sorry about that little tangent. I have 2 more products to share, and these were both free just because I placed my monthly order. So I have had a few questions after I did my last Young Living video on specific questions on points and commissions and things, and I'll get back to those as soon as I look them up for sure and get the correct answer, because you guys asked some tricky questions. But anyways, essential rewards is not going to be anymore. What it is it's a different name and now I can't think of it, but you will still get points if your monthly order is over 50, and which that doesn't change. It's always been minimum of 50 to get those rewards. Loyalty rewards is what it's called. So you'll get points and you get free product, but you have to do those minimums still. That didn't change. And it's super easy to go on your dashboard. I inserted a clip of it in my last video where you can just see what's shipping this month. Is it $50? If not, you might want to add something so you get your points, and then you can redeem points on products too. So not a whole lot is changing as far as minimums and points, and I will still earn 25% back. So every order, say I spend $200, I know I'm like, what's 25? I get 50 points back to use on product. And it's an amazing rewards program, and it's still amazing. It's just a little bit different. So I got these for free. This is Kid Power. This is my favorite Kid Sense oil for smell. Like, it smells amazing. You can use this as a perfume. It is sweet and like vanilla-y. It's like sweet vanilla sugar. I just made that up. Let's see what's in this. So this is the newest Kid Sense oil. There's a whole line of them, and they come pre-diluted, ready for the kids to use, ages 2 and up. Might want to dilute a little more on the littler kids, but anyways, they're formulated. There's like a tummy, a respiratory one. This is Kid Power, and it's just, I think, for like school mainly and focus, and I don't know, it just smells amazing. I'll have to look up what their actual like reasoning to make for making this oil. But anyways, orange, vanilla, black spruce. This is so hard to read. It's yellow and white font. Camphor, blue tansy, frankincense, and geranium. It smells so good, and it's an expensive oil. This is a 15 ml bottle, a big guy, and I got it for free. I think it was like 50 bucks. So I was like, score. I like diffusing it and rolling it on myself and the kids too, but it smells so good sometimes I just don't even want them to use it. Next free item. I haven't gotten this in so long because this is kind of like a sleepy, this is for babies. And we just try so many different sleepy blends, but this is Gentle Baby. So this is a good oil. I don't know if I can get the focus or not. This is a good oil to diffuse around babies, kids. I'm trying to open it so I can read you the oils in it. It's so gentle and so calming, and it's just so sweet. Okay, coriander, geranium, palmarosa, lavender, ylang ylang, chamomile, Roman chamomile, bergamot, there's the sweet, lemon, jasmine, and rose. It's such a good blend. And I forgot how much I loved it because I was buying, and I think it's just because it's a little bit cheaper, I was just buying the Seedlings Calm, which is similar, it has lavender and some other calming oils, but I love this so much. It's like 27 bucks, free. Got it for free. So that is it. I think I'm going to try, I might not do this when I start editing, but I wanted to try to put, when I'm talking about each product, like put the info from the website or just a little bit more like little points about each one, because I know I don't cover every single thing about the product. It's impossible because there's so many things. But if you have any questions on anything specifically, or what we use for supplements, or what we use on the kids, the pets, our dog, let me know. I'm an open book. I'm super excited about the new shopping experience. You can literally just shop as a customer. Go on Young Living's website. I'll put the link in the description. You don't have to buy a starter kit. You don't even have to buy any oils. It's amazing. But these are some of our all-time favorites, you guys. So you should check out all of those too. They're good. So good. If you have any questions, let me know. I think I said that like 12 times already. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a good day. Bye.